Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Gigi Gabrielle. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. This is my very first video and you get to be a part of it. Hey, let's get started. All right, so this is the Bobbi Boss Glueless Devon wig in color HL613/627. So you can see it has some beautiful highlights in there. I like that dark base. There's the 13x4 lace, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have the elastic bands to be able to tighten it. Go ahead and screenshot if you want to save the information really quick. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try on the wig as is, just so that you know I can see how it's fitting me, what it's looking like fresh out the pack. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit of what the stock card says as you're watching me customize the wig. So again, it's a Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace wig. It has HD transparent lace, 13x4 deep lace. It has a MediFresh safe and clean cap. What does that mean? That means that it has advanced protection against pathogens and UV rays. And this is in reference to antibacterial property. So it has UV protection, it's antibacterial, and it's breathable. Now it is glueless wear. It has flawless free parting, natural baby hairs, and pre-plucked hair. Again, this style is Devon in color HL613/627. It does say that it is premium high heat fiber, safe heat styling with a flex fit cap, but it does not say how hot you can have the temperature. So anyways, as you can see, I am plucking the wig a bit more to give it more of a natural look. Go ahead and enjoy watching it. now that I officially have her on, I'm gonna tell you the real deal. Okay, so I do like the wig. I love the color. I've never tried this color before and I'm really feeling myself. I love it. I think it suits my skin tone so good. I do think that the knots are pretty black. Of course, she's synthetic, so you know, who knows how long she's gonna last, but I must say that the texture of this hair actually feels really good for synthetic. It doesn't feel rough at all. It feels like silky yet thick and just like a really nice, soft, luxurious feel. You know, I feel like this one might actually last longer than some other synthetics would, you know, that are of a poorer quality. So this one's really nice. Definitely came pre-plucked well. You know, it did have a bit of a boxy hairline, so I had to go in and pluck it. It took me a little bit, but compared to other synthetic wigs or even other human hair wigs, they at least, like, you can tell that they went in and actually plucked it. So that's what's up. The part was nice and open. I feel like it's a really decent sized part. I mean, it looks natural. I do actually have a way to hide the knots and I'd like to go over that with you guys, but not today. It's gonna be on another video. I think it's a really nice length. It doesn't feel like it's gonna get hot, which is really nice because with me and wigs in summer, it just, long wigs don't, they're just making me feel really hot. But I mean, I love long wigs. I think they're so beautiful. So I don't wanna, you know, give up that sexy feeling that I get when I wear long wigs. I'd rather just go through it and be hot. But this one feels like I'm gonna feel cool and I'm gonna feel good. I will say that she tangles up pretty easily because I've already gotten tangles and had to detangle her quite a few times. But that's kind of like to be expected. As far as shedding goes, I can't really say because I plucked her and I didn't like brush everything out. So, you know, I'm still taking out what I plucked. See, color's gorgeous. I actually feel like going and getting another wig, and I super love these lighter money piece highlights. They're beautiful. So honestly, I would recommend her. I mean, I really would recommend her. She's gorgeous and it makes me feel sexy. I can get dressed up really nice. I can be kind of like cool and hip hop, you know, kind of like just chill, sporty kind of vibe. And I can also be like classy, let's go to a wedding, you know. I mean, she's just beautiful for all occasions. So, and it's definitely on the affordable end. Let me see, I think I paid like around 40 to 50 for her. Most synthetic wigs nowadays are not super cheap, but definitely worth it because, you know, it does have a lot of parting space and they did pre-pluck it. The color is beautiful. People pay big money to get color like this. And, you know, it came already like on a synthetic wig. You can try her on and wear it. And, you know, it's like you went to the salon and paid hundreds of dollars. And yeah, it was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. One comment I would like to make that to me is a con about this wig is that the curl pattern is not even. This side is a different curl pattern than this side as far as these front pieces. And I've tried to curl iron this one different times and different ways, and it still just wouldn't take a curl. So that's something to consider. Bobbi Boss did amazing with this lace. This lace lays down and melts so good. The hairline was boxy, so I had to go in and try to make it mimic a natural hairline. But I can tell that Bobbi Boss definitely went in and did their thing, not compared to other, you know, wig companies that they don't even pluck their wig, and they might say they do and they really don't. And you know, their part might be too big or too small. They got it just right. Now they're knots, black, 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 black. I mean, obviously they didn't bleach it, but Lord Jesus, they are visible, okay? Overall, they did amazing. You know, overall they did amazing. I would definitely buy it again. I kind of want to buy another one because, you know, synthetic wigs don't last that long, but it's just a really good length. Like, it's not OD long, it's not short, it's just perfect. Like, it's long and sexy, but like not in the way. So I love that. And you can tell like you're not gonna get super hot with it on, which is rare for a long wig.
A few moments later.
Y'all, this wig is so bomb. I mean, it is so versatile. It looks so legit. Like, hey, flip my hair, what? You want me to part it where? I can do it. I can part it here, there, everywhere. No, for real. I feel like this color looks good on like everyone too. Oh my God, it's just so pretty. This is not sponsored by the way, so like I'm over here hyping them up and it's like my real opinion, and you know, the cons too. I'm always gonna keep it real, good or bad. So don't worry about that. Especially, you know, like if you're a beginner getting into wigs, I know the curiosity, man. Trust me, I got you, okay? I got you on everything here. I've been through a journey learning things, and I still have a lot to learn, and I'm here to share everything with you. So like I said, stay tuned to my channel, and not just hair stuff, but like, you know, just beauty stuff in general. And you know, there's gonna be some lifestyle stuff, some fashion things that I have coming up, so I'm excited. Bye.